how to switch between the microphone input or the keyboard icon in the navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So on the keyboard here, first let's bring up the keyboard. Then in the navigation bar, you will see it shows the keyboard icon. So if you want to switch it over to the microphone input, what you want to do is touch and hold and then select voice input, and this will switch over to the microphone icon. This will allow you to tap on it and access microphone voice input. So touch and hold to switch back to the keyboard icon. When you tap on the keyboard, it will allow you to choose an input method, or you can set it as a microphone voice input. And that's it. If you still do not see the microphone showing on the corner, make sure you go into settings and turn it on. So in here we go down and tap on general management, then tap on Samsung keyboard settings, go down and tap on voice input. Make sure it is not set to none. If it's set to none, then it will be disabled. So you want to turn it on by choosing Samsung voice input or Google voice typing, and then it will show on the corner here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.